Hi guys, in today's video we're taking a look at 3 useful but not necessary upgrades that you can do to your Ender 3 Pro. So let's get right into the video, and all of these upgrades are relatively cheap, so yeah, let's go. Upgrade number 1 is the actual filament extruder, or here is where the filament gets put into, as you can see down there, and it goes through this white line right here. So the red thing here is what I have upgraded. It's a stainless steel, I think, red colored spool pusher, I suppose, and it pushes it through the tube, so the filament actually gets extruded through the hot end. And yeah, I needed to upgrade this because my plastic one that came with it broke, and it works just as the old one did. Just press those together as you saw. But yeah, my old plastic one broke. The black plastic one that you get with your printer broke, so I had to replace that with this red metal one. And this is quite cheap. It only costs like, I think, $20 on Amazon, and that's upgrade number 1 that I would recommend doing. Upgrade number 2 isn't actually something you buy, it's something that you 3D print. It's this holder for your spool of filament. It's just a white PLA plastic holder that I 3D printed before with my 3D printer. With my 3D printer, you just put the spool arm that you get included with your 3D printer on the part that you print. And yeah, it works really great. It's sturdy, and yeah, it's just easier to get a better angle for the filament to get into your spool pusher or your filament pusher. And yeah, before I had to put it on top of my 3D printer, and it wasn't as sturdy. It just swayed back and forth. But now it's much more sturdier with this plastic one right here. And yeah, as I said before, I had to just put it on the top with this bracket here. I loosen it and put it here on the top. And yeah, now it's much better. So let's hop to number 3. Number 3 upgrade is the actual bed itself. I have upgraded this Ender 3 glass bed that you can buy from Creality. It's a really nice glass bed, and as you can see, it just uses 4 clamps that you put it on the actual print bed, because the old one was magnetic, but that mine wasn't as good as this glass one, and it works great. I have used it a lot. As you can see, it's kind of worn out, and you can see some plastic residue, but you can take it off and clean it off if you want to get a more cleaner base. This is just to get a more hardened, cleaner base. And as you can see there, it just clamps onto your old magnetic bed, and it still works great. The heat still gets through the actual glass, and it's created by Creality themselves, so it should be good for your Ender 3 Pro. But yeah, that was just every upgrade that I would call pretty good and useful. So yeah, that's all for this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you what you want to see in the next video, or if you wonder something about these upgrades that I showed you in this video. Otherwise, have a good one and see you in the next one. Bye.